God bless you and welcome again to my channel, The Secret Place TV. Thank you for sharing my videos and thank you for subscribing. I appreciate all that. God bless you again. Briefly, I just want to speak to you on the topic I captioned, the dangers of free will. The dangers of free will. Proverbs 14 verse 12, the Bible said, "There is a way that seemeth good unto a man, but the end thereof is the way of death." See, you need to submit your will to the will of God and let Him lead the way. You need to be flexible in the hand of God. Be like a clay in the hand of the potter. You see, let God dream for you. Let God plan for you. The Bible said in the book of Proverbs 3 from verse 5 to 6, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not unto your own understanding, and in all your ways acknowledge Him. He shall direct your path." My brother, my sister, I want God to lead you. Don't take any step until you have consulted Him and you got His permission, and let Him lead you. There are mistakes that could affect destiny. There are mistakes that could leave a scar on your destiny, and I don't want you to make those mistakes. You see, Lucifer was defined or described as the son of the morning. He was beautiful. He was gifted. He had potentials. He was the most pretty angel in heaven. His entire body was music instrument. He could sing. But when his heart was lifted up, when he wanted to go his own way, he wanted to chart his own path, he wanted to take the place of God, and he was rejected. It's important for you, a child of God, submit your will to the will of God. God resists the proud. He gives grace to the humble. Be humble. Let God lead you. You won't make mistakes in life. Let God guide you. You see, most of the time when I draw up my plans, my goal, my vision, what I do is that I take it to God and I ask Him, interrupt me in any area that I'm wrong. Whatever I'm doing that you think is not right for me, if it's not according to your purpose for me, interrupt it. See, there's a prayer I normally pray. I tell God, shut any door that is not my door. Any door the devil opened for me, shut it. Any door the devil closed for me, open it. I am flexible in the hand of the Master, and I let Him lead the way. And when you are in that covenant with God, He won't let you make mistakes. Be like Abraham. God interrupted Abraham. He interrupted most great people in the Bible. Then He blessed them. You see, God told Saul, He gave him an instruction to go to a particular land and destroy the land and never come back with nothing. But he went and carried out his own mission and came back with some gold and some goodies. He disobeyed God. He was rejected. Don't be rejected by God. Submit your will, your plan, your vision, your agenda, your priorities to God and let Him lead the way. Build your life around God. Build your schedule, your plans around God. There is a way that seemeth good unto a man, unto a woman, but the end thereof is the way of death. Let God lead you. Your free will could be the most dangerous thing in your life if you cannot submit it to God. Your desire could destroy you if you don't hand it over to God and let Him lead the way, and you become like a clay in the hand of God. He can mold you. You are bendable and you are flexible. I love you. God bless you. Emmanuel.
The secret place, the secret place, the secret place, a breathing place.